Welcome to Xcluder's product installation tip video. I'm Jeremy, and I'm going to demonstrate on how to install our end caps on our low profile, standard, and Versaline door sweeps. With your Xcluder door sweep cut to size, we will now install the end caps. The end caps are important because they protect the seal and prevent the seal from sliding out of the channel. To install the end cap, we recommend using a ratcheting screwdriver with a Phillips head. If you do not have a ratcheting screwdriver, a regular Phillips head screwdriver will work. Before installing the end cap, slide the bulb seal down to expose the C channels. There are 2 C channels per end cap. The C channels are not threaded. To thread the C channels, you will take one of the small screws and thread each C channel. Repeat this action for all 4 C channels. With all 4 C channels threaded, you can install the end caps. Each end cap will be labeled on one side with the word in. You will place the side of the end cap that says in towards the door sweep. With the little screws, you will now secure the end cap to the door sweep. Repeat the same process for the other end cap. With the end caps installed, you can now install the Xcluder door sweep to the door. For more installation tips, watch our other videos on our Xcluder YouTube channel or simply give us a call. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.